Hello guys, welcome back, and thanks for the last subscribers. Very happy you subscribe, and yeah, I hope I can deliver. No worries, thank you very much for that. And yeah, let's start. Do you wonder why your deck is going heavy to lift, or is heavy to lift like mine? I had this problem from start on, so I didn't thought much about it till I found out in my second last video this spring, the lift assist spring, has broken. The top has snapped off and everything was attached, even the screw, and I didn't notice it because the screw is on the back and the screw was still in, everything was fine, and I thought it was normal. So, but then I looked closer in my second last video, I found out it's broken. Anyway, the top has broken off, and I called the retailer and I got a new spring for nothing, still warranty, 2 years still. And yeah, this is a new spring. It comes without a screw, so make sure if you replace yours you keep your screw. Yeah, this is a new one, and I never noticed it because the screw was looking out like this on the back and it looked all normal. So anyway, this is a new one and I will fit it in now, and that should be easy as. Alright, let's do it.
The screw is located at your back here, and she was normally in like this, and I never thought a spring was broken, or there is a spring in anyway. Didn't know what the screw was for, and now we know. And yeah, first thing we have to remove the battery, and I will do that now. So I removed the battery and the holders, and it's very tight there, so I try my best to show you. So this is the old spring. I put it back in that you can see where it's located. So you go in and it's just right there, and it must hook up there somewhere, somehow. Oh, it's so hard to show you guys. There's the top, you can see the top. So that's where I have to hook it in. This is the old one, which I removed now.
Alright guys, I put a flashlight in here. So this thing is attached to the deck, and that's where the spring hooks in. And on the top, where my little finger is, there's a little gap, and I have never done this, so I reckon it goes like this. You can see, like this. There's a little gap on the top, and all I have to do really now is put the screw at the end, because there's no other way to fit it. It doesn't go in like this, it's just not possible. And also if I go in here, yeah, it could be also right, I just don't know. But what's the gap on the top for, you know? So I reckon it goes like this, and that's how I will do it. I hope you can see it. Now I put the screw at the end. You won't see that. Okay. Now I have attached the screw, and you can see the spring is in. I have attached the screw at the end. Okay.
I think it makes sense with that thing on top. Yeah, that's the right way. I can feel it. It's hooking in now. Anyway, I give it a little try now. Oh my God. Oh my God. You can't believe it. That's enough for me. Easy as. I give it a little bit more. I think that will do it. They maybe get loosened over time from vibration. That could happen. Yeah, alright.
Alright, that was quite easy really, it wasn't hard. Yeah, the way I put it around was right, otherwise would not work either. And this is the result. Look at it. Can do it with one finger. I couldn't do that before. Excellent job. So that worked out fine. And yeah, it's a new experience for me. And I love it. Alright guys, thanks for watching and hope it helped a bit if you have the same problem. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and please like my beautiful videos. See you later.